Now I am doing sum number 6. Using ruler and compass only, construct triangle ABC having given BC equal to 7. So 7 centimeter you take here. This is 7 centimeter and AB minus AC 1. So you take 1 centimeter also here, 1 centimeter. AB minus AC 1, then ABC 45 degree. So you take now AB, first you take BC, this 7 centimeter side you take, this 7 centimeter. So I am taking this 7 centimeter side. This is 7 centimeter side and the angle is ABC. So this is B and C. Since ABC, so here 45 degree you have to draw. Now 45 degree means first you have to draw 90, then you have to bisect that 90 degree. So 90 degree I am just marking. I will not draw full line, only just mark. Then bisect this angle. This 90 degree angle you bisect. So it is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Now A point will be here somewhere. Now AB minus AC is 1 centimeter. So you take this 1 centimeter length and cut from here. This is 1 centimeter length. Now join this C and that point. Then you bisect this. Let's say this is another point K. Now KC line you bisect. Now KC line you bisect. So from K you draw one line and from C another line. And these two you join these two. This one and this one if you join. So you are getting this point A. Then AC you join. So the triangle you got ABC. In this triangle, since this side equal to this side, that means AB minus AC will be AB minus AK, that is BK. So BK I have taken 1 centimeter. Now inscribe a circle in ABC constructed. So ABC triangle now we have to draw in circle. So bisect this angle. Angle B you bisect. How to do? I am showing you in this way. It is. Join this, it will be bisected. So here this is the triangle. Now we have to draw in circle. So this is the in center and we have to draw in circle. In circle drawing technique I am showing you. From this point, let's say it is O, the center, you have to draw perpendicular either from BC side or from AB side or from AC side. This AC side nothing is drawn there, so I am drawing perpendicular on AC. You have to adjust your arc in such a way that the arc will cut AC at 2 points. This point you draw one, from this point you draw one arc. You can increase the length, but now you cannot change. The same length you take here and join it, this point and this point. So you got the radius of the in circle. This is the radius. Up to this point is the radius. And if you join now circle, you will see this circle will touch all the sides of the triangle. See, it is touching all the sides. Very nice in circle it is drawn. Now you can give name extended portion. Always you should give name L, M, N, O. That's all for this sum.